Last time on Cat Trial 10 Tech Test, Renee throwing down a heater.
He was going to school to be an X-ray technician, then found out about a job at the dealership to go through their diesel technician training program and changed partway through his schooling.
Wow, Renee, you really crushed it out there. How are you feeling?
I'm good. I'm feeling good now.
Which part of the course was the most challenging for you?
Honestly, it was a canister, just how it was so big and you just gotta look back at the schematic. I actually recognize it, but having it blowing up like that is a little bit different.
All right, good job.
Thank you.
Welcome to Cat Trial 10 Tech Test, Episode 5. I'm Rutledge Wood.
And I'm Griffin Rio.
Now it's time for our next contestant.
I'm down here with Ulysses. How are you feeling about running the course today?
Excited. This looks like a lot of fun.
3, 2, 1.
All right, Ulysses is off hauling it up the stairs.
Reason why I want to be a cat technician is I really enjoy wrenching for a living. It's something that you don't do every day, something different.
You got to take your time, make sure you're doing it right, because at the end of the day, when you're out on a job for customers, you can't be cutting corners.
For sure, it's about quality, but it's also about safety. But it looks like he's hit those marks well and moved on to the next stage.
I was always more hands-on, so I looked for careers that I would like, that I really enjoy doing, something more exciting.
Tell everybody what this challenge is all about.
We're highlighting here the diversity of our product applications just within our engine. He just picked up scale models highlighting our heritage and history of producing Cat engines for on-highway trucks from 1939 all the way to 2009.
He's an apprentice with the Think Big program. Tell people a little bit about the program.
I'm a graduate as well as thousands of others. I think we're at almost 10,000 graduates globally since its founding about 20 years ago.
The nice thing about the Think Big apprenticeship program is the balance with work and school, they map it all out. You just got to be motivated to learn.
He slides down, ready for the next challenge.
So what he's got to do now is troubleshooting. How easily can you piece together the clues that are given to you in order to create that solution? And that's what they're going to face as a technician. One of the things he's about ready to grab here is going to be our CVAs, Customer Value Agreement. And that's where we take all of the headache of owning the machine in terms of maintenance and repairs out of the customer's hands, so they can just worry about operating day in and day out. And he's on to the next one.
And now he's in the last challenge, trying to fulfill that parts order using the CAT app. But he's got to do everything that he's supposed to do there safely.
Is he going to make it in a decent time?
Find out on the next episode of Cat Trial 10 Tech Test.